The giveaway BMW 330 drift car has been down for a little bit because we had to replace a bunch of stuff. I also had to rob some parts for it to get my wagon to one event, but then we put everything back on the car. Car is right now loaded up. We've got a body kit and we've got to wrap it. And we are on a massive time crunch. Dude, I'm ashamed. If a shop looks like this, it's like a good representation of what's been going on. There's so much stuff. We've got a KBD, and I know some of you guys aren't huge fans of poly, but we've got a KBD body kit for the 330. I wanted to try out the KBD kit. I've seen a few cars with it on, and I think it looks really good. The main thing, like I originally had said with this giveaway car, is I want somebody to win this car and be able to drive it to the track, drive it on the track, and then drive it back home without any issues. And the great thing about polyurethane is it doesn't break. So it might be flexy, whatever, it might not be everybody's flavor, but it's perfect for a beginner's grassroots drift car because you're gonna go off track a few times, you're gonna hit things, you might mess some stuff up loading it onto the trailer, so you guys don't have to worry about fiberglass. But we're gonna load up the KBD body kit. We're driving to Dallas on a Sunday before Christmas. Actually, Christmas is tomorrow. So it's either gonna be no traffic or Los Angeles. Oh, we've also got numbered and signed posters available on the site now. Okay, boys, we're here. I want you guys to meet some friends of mine. Andy. What's up, guys? Angel.
Hello guys, how you doing?
So S13 Bones on Instagram and Extendo Andy, these guys are gonna help me wrap my car. So I was thinking like, I kind of wanted like a cream color. It looked like you got something in there for me.
This is something right here, a little sparkly.
Oh, that's a little sparkly for me.
Yeah,
That's cool. That is actually pretty much
khaki.
Yeah, that one you did khaki is, I think would look really good on this car. Let's see what we got over here.
These are like,
I mean, a little sparkle wouldn't hurt. Or we could just go crazy with it. That's cool looking. I like that actually. That's I like that one a little better than the other one. Should we choose a backup color just in case it's not doable? It would be kind of cool to do like a really, well, that's a little too. That's a lot of colors. Oh my God. Sunset shift is wild. That'd be kind of cool. I think if you guys can get that, I'd say, let's go for it.
Taxi beige.
Taxi beige. I think it's gonna be sick. I always hate going straight for white, but I think white BMWs look so good. Oh yeah, that'll be clean. Oh dude, that's okay. Bro. That is sick, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Oh my God, that looks sick, man. You did awesome, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, that's sick. I love how simple. It's so clean. It's so simple.
So the sun hits it.
Man, it's gonna look sick swinging, bro. Oh yeah. Okay, that's cool. It looks like it looks like a JZX. That's so funny, dude. Two-door JZX. Oh yeah. Dude, I don't know if you guys can see the color. That is sick, dude. Oh my God. It's got such a cool prism to it. Oh, this is the perfect angle. That's really cool. Damn, would it be lame if I just did this color on my wagon? like super solid on there because they did it over the stock bumpers, which gives it some rigidity, and they did a really clean job of like mounting over some of the hardware. But first off, I wanted to make it really accessible for whoever wins this car to be able to work on it, remove parts, and also I wanted to do KBD because whoever wins this might be a first-time drifter. It's gonna be a great car for you, but you might hit a wall or two, you might hit a cone, you might hit something. So the side skirts, they're flexible. The front bumper is also flexible. It's perfect for a beginning setup. Thanks to Irving. Big shout out to my boy, the Wagyu boss. And then also big thanks to Heritage Wheels, CNC71 for sending us the angle kit. You guys got a new angle kit. Corbeau for a boss, little seat for you guys. This car's sick, dude. 330, Hydro e-brake. Last week you guys can win this thing, but you know, we transformed this little thing into a sick little car. It's crazy how much it looks kind of like a JZ though. JZX, I mean. Big shout out to my boy, Angel. Yo,
Hey, shout out to this man right here, actually.
who you trying to plug?
I'd like to thank Andy, Dreaded Garage. He helped me mount this kit. I wouldn't be able to do it without him.
What's up, guys? Doing it with Next Time Customs.
S13 Bones on Instagram. And thank you to Evan so much.
Thank you. Stendo Andy, there you go.
Whoever wins this, enjoy the car. That I'm excited for. I hope you're excited as well.
So I'm not sure I've announced this yet, but this actually is the last giveaway that we're gonna be doing. I think it's just gotten kind of stale, and I'll explain it later, but we just wanted to do one last shebang and give something to someone that actually means something and that somebody can actually enjoy. The giveaway ends at the very end of January. After doing this, we just wanna go back to, you know, selling merchandise and not have any strings, not necessarily there's strings attached, but this is gonna be the last giveaway that we do. With that being said, I think it's probably the coolest one we've done because it's the most functional, and damn, look at that wrap. Obviously I got a couple things to fix here and there, and I still want to tinker with the car and have some more fun with it, but dude, this car is such a perfect car for anybody who wants to get into grassroots stuff, but also just something so simple and clean. I already said it, but I want to give a big thank you to Irving at KVD. This kit actually looks phenomenal on this car. I'm halfway considering changing the kit on my wagon to at least the front end of this. Absolutely unreal. Looks so cool. Something I've learned this year is that the more you rush, the faster you think you need to get there, or the faster you try to get there, the faster you're also going to let yourself down. I think what sucks is like we're really taught that life is a race, and it's not. It is literally, it's not. I wish that I would even think this way, but like life is not a race. People are trying to get to the end as fast as they can, when it's like, why don't you try and prolong your own end as long as you can? That's why so many people have fallen, you know, short to suicide, or honestly, they die when they're 30 or 40 or 50 because they neglected their health or whatever it was, whether it's mental or physical, because they wanted to achieve their goals by the time they were 25 or 30. And take it from me, like I achieved a lot by the time I was 25. But I look back and like I only set myself up for failure because I was hasty. The Bible says hasty feet miss the way. I can't express that enough. There's no haste. There's no rush. Take it from me. It would be great if life was just good right now, right? If life was just perfect and you had no problems, you had infinite money. I get it. The point is to stick around and stay and see what life has to offer you down the road. Instead of trying to get to the finish as fast as you can, why don't you try and extend the finish as long as it can go. That's my advice today. I love you guys so much. If you guys want to support us, support the channel, grabbing merch and entering into the giveaway is the best way you can do that right now. Every $5 you spend at 53supply.com gets you one chance to enter to win this BMW 330. I'm probably gonna do some driving with it, but I also don't wanna get it too nasty for whoever wins it. At least go check out some of the merch that we've got on our site. We've got some really cool stuff. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Have a great day. Peace.